time to leave the Big Island for our final destination, Maui. But first, a little walk around this beautiful resort where we stayed. If you plan to snorkel with Manta Rays on Big Island, then this resort is the most convenient location to stay, as Manta Ray tours operate just a few feet away from it. A little over 30 minutes of flight time. We arrive at Maui. Welcome to Maui, third island on this trip. Started from Honolulu to Kona and now Maui. Very excited. Look at these beautiful mountains. There's something about these. I mean, there were mountains on all these islands, but every time you see one on a different island, it looks more beautiful. So, welcome to Maui. Next day, we begin our journey to Road to Hana, one of the most popular adventures on this island. The Hana Highway, referred to as the Road to Hana, is a 62 miles long stretch that connects Kahului to the town of Hana in East Maui. The highway continues to Kipahulu, which is our last stop on this route before we drive back. Since the highway is very windy and narrow with a lot of twists and turns, an uninterrupted car trip takes around 2.5 hours to reach the national park, Haleakala National Park. This highway passes over 59 bridges, of which 46 are only one lane wide. There are approximately 620 curves along Route 360 from just east of Kahului to Hana, and almost all of it through lush tropical rainforests.
Many of the concrete and steel bridges date back to 1910, and almost all are still in use. This video is to give you an idea about what to expect on this drive on Hana Highway. Our drive on this road to Hana is almost half done here. However, second leg of this journey is much more scenic with a lot of waterfalls and spots worth pulling over to. Watch my next episodes for the other half of this highway, followed by a 4 miles hike out and back to meet this majestic Wailua Falls in Haleakala National Park.